Yo guys, welcome back to a YouTube video. I'm XX Team and Tristan here, and today we are back on Roblox. And finally, today we're going to be playing a jailbreak for a certain amount of time. Now, I've tried to record jailbreak, but for some odd reason, I go quiet, because when I play games, I don't usually talk, but today I'm going to talk. And yeah, I'm actually sorry if you can hear my TV in the background. My cousin's here and he's watching it, so I mean, I can do anything about it. But, so yes, today we're going to be playing jailbreak. If you think Tristan, you ever record a jailbreak, and you don't play a jailbreak, so you must suck. That's absolutely not a fact. I do play jailbreak a lot. Well, not a lot anymore, but I used to play it a lot. I used to be grinding, like Joey the player. Or I could say Joey the raging player. Am I right? Just kidding, I'm gonna get a lot of hate on that. I don't care. I don't care though. I'm savage. I use glitches. Oh god. Hopperoonies. I know! Ah! Oh yeah, boy. That key card, let's go. No! No. Ah, you're naked. Ew. I just realized that. Did someone text me? Who texted me? Oh, my cousin. Hi, I'm Rick. Give me 1 sec. Give me sec. Sorry, that was just my cousin. Let me take a key card. Ah! XD. He thought he could troll me, but it turns out he couldn't. Wow. There's a lot of people on the Super Health Builders Club. Sadly, there is not one criminal. They have this place in lockdown. What was with that run? Ah! Please. No. I give cash. Boom. I bet you. I was like, I said, I go quiet. I mean, so I'm gonna try. I know I've been quiet for the last couple minutes, but I mean, I'm wearing double. I'm wearing double limit thing. So I'm wearing my limited U face blue goof and my Ubisoft. I just did that by accident. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Go down. Thank you. Come on, respond. Car, respond. Yes, someone escaped. Okay, I don't think it's gonna respond. Oh, and as soon as I leave, it responds. Wow. So I'm gonna grab the Lambo and then we're gonna rob bank jewelry. Because I bet you, so I rob the jewelry, they're all gonna come there and they're all gonna arrest me. And if they do, we just gun them down. We run. We have to try and rob the jewelry. If we don't rob the jewelry, we are gonna be dead. Dude, so many cops, dude, so many cops, dude. Dude. They're like chilling. They're chilling, dude. They're chilling. They don't know. They do know I'm here. Go! Oh, dude, they're like patrolling the highway. Darn it. Wow. Go. The patrol. Okay, the patrol. We get caught, we're dead. We're dead. We legit have to gun them down. We dead. We don't gun them down, we are dead. We are straight up dead. Oh no. Dude, this is so edgy, dude. Dude, no! Okay, I'm not gonna get arrested, so I mean. They're literally camping here. They're camping, dude. They're camping. Dude, they're camping, dude. Dude, they're camping. No, my friend, that's what I call camping cops. I was trying to call them no-lifers. I don't blame them because they are no-lifers. They don't have any life. I know. So no, if we can't be prisoner and escape and be criminal, we're gonna be a cop or Rooney. Let's do this. If I'm not good at being a prisoner, I'm gonna be a I have Are you trying to spell my name? I want to buy that very shortly. I want to buy that car. I'm gonna see how much it costs to buy a skin. I want to buy either a lot, or I want to buy Volcano. Oh, creme. Don't shoot him. Yeah, that's right. That's what I do to the criminals like him. We shoot them when we arrest them. Look at this dude. He has an outfit. He's looking swag. So I don't look like a noob, I'm just gonna go grab my Lambo. Yes, I'm a prisoner. Come arrest me, come arrest me. I'm a prisoner. Yeah, that's right. Dog. Actually, if I buy me a case, I could probably get... No, if I rob the donut shop, I could buy my level 4 engine. But no. Ow. T-Man? Yes. Race? Sure. Give me a sec. He's probably gonna win, only because he is like, because he has a higher car than me. Yeah, I'm not even gonna arrest him. Got other business too. I'll give you... what's my engine? Okay. Level 4, we'll have to rearrange that. Gonna buy me $100. I'm probably gonna lose, but I mean, that's okay. You drive me to Lambo. So I'm gonna ask him to drive. So he's gonna drive me to Lambo. I'm gonna have to end the video here, but I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna try to double upload today. So I mean, that's gonna be fun. So if I can just fit 2 minutes into here, then it'll be good to go. And if I get to 14 minutes during the race, I'm gonna have to end the video. Yeah. I'm sorry if you can hear my mom in the background, but I mean, mom, say hi. I didn't think they heard you, but that's okay. I'm one of those cringy YouTubers. Ask your mom to say hi. Best quality ever. So from bank to jewelry, I guess. I'm probably gonna win. Jewel to bank is that okay? Whoa! Whoa. Okay. Probably has level 5 engine. But I mean, that's okay. GG. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye! Wait, just give me